Hey guys, welcome back. Got a little tip for you. Yesterday had a pool that the skimmer line seemed to be clogged. It would vacuum for a little bit and then it would just shut down. Turns out it had one of these check valves in line going into it, and if you look in the bottom of it, it should have a flapper. See if I can get it to... There it is. You can see the flapper inside the pipe. Notice it's broken off and loose. So it's supposed to be attached. Has a little edge that attaches so it allows it to gravity to drop it back down when it's shut off. And this one, the actual valve had broken loose. So what would happen is when we put full suction on the skimmer, that little flap would just float to the top and shut the pipe off. So if you've got a pool that the pressure is building up and there's no blockages, sometimes these type check valves will be in line after the pump, and then sometimes they'll be on the suction side. But if you have one that just randomly the pressure will spike, there's no reasonable explanation for it, acts like something's clogged up, you might look and see if you have one of these valves. And if you do, there's a pretty good chance that it's broken. You can hear that just flapping around inside of there. So, or if you have one on the suction side that all of a sudden all your suction goes away, may be the same thing. So anyway, something to check out. The only way to fix them is to cut them out and replace it. Hope that helps. Y'all have a great day.